Good morning, boys and girls. It's another NTI day. Today, if you remember, is the beginning of a new quarter. So we are going to work on our possessive nouns, and this goes along with the unit that we've been doing on nouns. Possessive nouns are when you add an apostrophe and an S, and it shows ownership to whatever object that the noun is claiming to be theirs. So in your binders, you have 9.3 possessive nouns. So I'd like for you to open to that. Get out a piece of paper and a pencil so that you can take down some notes. While you are getting your things together, I will attempt to bring up some of our sheets that we're going to talk about. All right, so this is the sheet you should have in your binders. Possessive nouns gives you the definition of what a possessive noun is, gives you the chart to show if you have singular nouns that you add an apostrophe and an S. If you have a singular noun ending in S, that you add an apostrophe and S, such as somebody's name, like Chris, C-H-R-I-S, then you would add an apostrophe S to that, okay? If you have a plural noun that ends in S, then you're going to put the apostrophe after the S, such as books, okay, or something that has boys would be another good one. It's plural, it ends in S, that makes it plural, and you add the apostrophe after the S, okay? They gave you the word skiers if you look over here, okay? And notice the skiers' goggles are sturdy because it's for all of the skiers. Plural nouns not ending in S. These are words that change their form but don't end in S. Then you're going to just add an apostrophe S to that, kind of just like you did the singular nouns. But the plural nouns that do not end in S, such as men, okay? Men is the plural form of man. So if you did men's, it would be M-E-N apostrophe S. All right. And it gives you an example here. The men's sweaters are warm. Down here, it gives you a reminder, and this is more for the activity we will do tomorrow, the fact that there's a difference between a plural noun and a plural possessive and a singular possessive. The possessives have a comma. A plural noun does not have a comma. It only has an S or an ES, unless it changes form completely, such as man to men. Okay, so a little bit to this. It is a little bit tougher, but you can do it. You just need to pay attention to what it's asking you to do. All right, so on our notes part, the first thing I want you to write down is possessive nouns, okay? And then we're going to put that possessive nouns deal with the who or the what, because a noun is a who or a what, right? Who, what, where, who, a what. So that covers person and thing. Okay. It has ownership. It has something and or ownership. We call it ownership. In the directions here, it says it has something. But the biggest thing is that it shows ownership, that it's theirs. There's a possession to it. Okay. The noun is saying, this is mine. It's Sheila's purse. Whose purse is it? It's Sheila's. And we know that because we put an apostrophe S on it. Okay, so it shows that it's her purse, she owns it. So the first thing I want us to practice on is you have boy, and when you have boy, you make it's a singular noun, so you are going to put boys, B-O-Y apostrophe S. Okay? Now look, we have boys, which is plural, and according to our chart, singular nouns, you do an apostrophe S, but this is a plural noun, so you just add an apostrophe. Okay, so boys. Okay, like that. If it's woman, this is a singular noun. We're going to add an apostrophe S. Notice that women is the plural, but it does not end in S, so it is going to be another apostrophe S. And last but not least, let's see if I can get this to fit in there. This shows possession. When you're having an apostrophe and an S, it shows possession, not plural. It shows possession. And that is the big difference between an apostrophe S and an S, or an ES. S and ES are for plurals, which we studied last week. Apostrophe S is for possession. All right, this is our short lesson. You will also be getting a word ladder dropped, and Achieve will be dropped either by the end of the day today or tomorrow. All right, see you all at 10 and 10:25. Bye.